This video is going out to Sarah Birias, who asked for a video showing both the iPadograph and the trace it was making at the same time. Because it's 8 feet tall and hangs from the ceiling, I couldn't capture all of it and still be close enough to the iPad screen to pick up the trace. So I focused on the bottom third of the pendulum to show its movement, which let me get close enough to the iPad to also see how the trace developed. In this first trace, the upper pendulum was placed into motion without giving the lower pendulum any additional action. As can be seen, it's pretty much following the main pendulum's movements, with the result that a simple elliptical trace is produced. For the second trace, the main pendulum was placed in motion in a nearly straight line with the lower pendulum moving in a circle. This results in a small but complex pattern. Next, we have the main pendulum rotating clockwise and the lower pendulum spending much of its time tracing figure eights along the 10 to 4 o'clock line. This one's looking pretty interesting, so let's speed things up to save some time and see how it turns out. It came out pretty good. I like this one. Lastly, the upper pendulum is moving counterclockwise while the lower pendulum rotates in cycloids around the center of the target. Because the two pendulums influence each other, their motions vary over time and after the first few swings don't look very much like they did when they were first started. I hope this is what Sarah Birias wanted and thank him for an interesting idea for a video.